friends, thanks for joining me for Thrifted Treasures and Thrifty Thursday. I wanted to share with you some items that I got from the thrift store, but also some items that I found at Hobby Lobby recently. I found this alcohol ink Durabrite pad, 5x7 sheets, so I guess there's several in here. Oh, 10 pieces it says, for $4.24. They regularly go for $8.49. I have no idea how to use these, but I am starting to get into some mixed media, so I thought for that price, you know, it's basically half off, I might as well pick it up. And then I found these. This is calligraphy colors, but it is ink. $4.24 for this one, and then $2.74 for this one. This one had spilled a little bit, but it's still almost full. So I thought, again, you know what, why not pick these up so I can experiment. This was originally $8.49. It was down to $4.24, and then this was $5.99 down to $2.74. So I thought that was pretty good. Wanted to share that with you guys. Friends, I have a friend that gave me some very old magazines from the 1950s, and this is one of these subscription cards in it. So, for example, this one is from 1951. These are old Hot Rod magazine, actually. Some of the covers are gone, but look at the advertisements. I mean, these are going to be a lot of fun, you guys. Look at these guys on their little go-karts. So look at this. I mean, this is fantastic. So I'm so thrilled. Thank you, Robbie, for giving these to me. Robbie sometimes watches my videos. He's been a family friend for, well, geez, he's known my husband since middle school. So I just wanted to share these with you. Oh my gosh, look at this. I wanted to share these with you because they're going to be so much fun. We're coming up on some that have covers. There we go. This one is 1960. We got some color pages here on the front cover. And then, I mean, just the advertisements alone are fantastic in these magazines. Look at this on the back. I love it. Oh, just so you guys know, if you get paper, books, whatever, and they have an off smell to them, put dryer sheets in between them. And literally, it's the most interesting thing. It's almost like the dryer sheet trades scents. It absorbs the bad smell, and then somehow it makes these smell better. I don't know how it happens. It's just something that I do and that I've done for a long time, and it works like a charm. So just, oh, look at the cartoons. Look, how cute. Yeah, so these are going to be great fun. I will have to put my my thoughts together for how I best want to use these, because I know I could have a lot of fun with them. I also wanted to share with you this pile of goodies that I got at the thrift store. My other thrift store closed down, but I found a new one, and I really like it. It's super, super clean. Everything's really organized, and they have a great craft section. So I found these stencils. This was a Tim Holtz stencil. You can see it's been used, but 59 cents. I thought that was pretty darn good. I found this gorgeous doily. I can't wait to use that in a journal, actually. So this was like a 6-pack. Well, maybe it was an 8-pack. I'm not going to count them out. I've already opened them, but I thought these were nice, and I've already used them on 2 tags that I created. Got a nice doily here. I'm starting to lean into the smaller doilies now, not as much the big giant ones because they're a little bit more difficult to use. This is so gorgeous, guys. Hold on, let me move these out of the way. Look at the intricacy of this doily. It's just beautiful. I'll be hoarding that for a while before I use it. Then look at this one, again, gorgeous. And then look at this. How beautiful is it? It's sheer. You know, guys, I could probably make a shaker with that, or put a photo underneath of it, or something like that. Here, look, for example, this is an authentic photo of some children. Look at that. I mean, it does take away from the photo a little bit, but it's still beautiful. So, wanted to show that to you guys. Then I got, hold on, let me show you the other stuff before I get into that. I found these. Now, these are photo holders, but I use them to hold my ephemera. So I got 2 packs of these, and I have the ones with the baseball card holders for my small stuff, but these are going to be great for my larger pieces, so I'm super excited about that. $1 each. by Hallmark. You can't beat that. Originally $6.95. So I thought that was a great, plus I got 25% off of that, which I thought was fantastic. I got another set of these stencils, also Tim Holtz, 59 cents for both of them. This one's like round, and then this one's sort of squiggly, so it'll be very interesting to work with those and learn how to do that. I got a binder pouch. I also put my tall pieces of ephemera in here. Sometimes they won't fit in anything but something like this, so that's why I got that. This I adore so much because look at it. I mean, it's pink and shiny. $2.99 plus 25% off, so it'd been 75% off of that. And you can see it holds an iPad, but I'm going to be redoing this, and this is going to be a journal. I could not leave it at the store. It's too gorgeous and it's pink. Then I got this. Now this was a little bit more pricey. It was $11.99, but it's Pro Platinum photo paper. So I thought and it's unopened. So all of the pieces are in here, which is fantastic. Yeah, I'm excited about using that, giving that a try. See how the digital kits come out on that. This is the other one of the thingy-mabobbies that I use for my ephemera. Now, I got this for $1, and it's pearlescent paper, and it's double-sided. So that is, look at the gold. I mean, is that beautiful or what? So there's gold and then there's this pearl color, and they are pearlescent. This is beautiful paper, and this is white. So this is perfect for the holidays. For $1, I thought that was fantastic. Now, this is the last thing that I got. This was also $1. You can see how much paper is here. These are 8.5 by 11, so I don't have to cut them. All I have to do is print on them and then fold them in half, and I'm ready to go. And if I'm not going to use them as journal pages, I don't have to print on the back of them. I could do mixed media if I wanted to, actually. That's not a bad idea. Then I've got mixed media on one side, then I've got this on the other. So lots of opportunities with this, but I wanted to show you the beautiful prints. I mean, these are gorgeous, and some of them are set up to go like this way, but you know, we don't use them like that all the time in our journals. Here's some cut aparts. I thought these were super pretty. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? Look at this. So pretty. So I'll just kind of move through these quickly for you, just so that you can see them all, but it doesn't take us all day. They're just so pretty. I'm absolutely in love with them. I have absolutely no idea where who the artist is. No idea at all, actually, but I'm definitely in love with them. Oh, they're just beautiful. I thought for $1.25 plus 25% off, I just thought that was amazing. So, I mean, this is a lot of paper. And there was actually more in this paper pack that I picked up, but it wasn't like this. It was kind of like more for kids. So I'm going to donate that back to the store. Aren't these beautiful, you guys? Yeah, so I felt like that was just super lucky finds. So friends, thanks for joining me. Thanks for checking out my Thrifty Thursday and Thrifted Treasures. Oh, did I mention Thrifty Thursday is hosted by Sherry of Turquoise Dreaming, and Thrifted Treasures is hosted by Dale of Not Too Shabby Chic. So go check them out if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. See you soon.